Ava's Daily Show. Today on Ava's Daily Show, we are going to continue the tribute I did to Stampy a couple days ago. And with that said, I have a rap I've created for Stampy. Okay, ready, set, go. He is a cat, he wears no hat, perhaps you recognize him. And even if you prefer dogs, I hope you won't despise him. He is Stampy, he loves his kicks and boots and iron armor. If you watch him, he is a very good farmer. His helpers Daisy, Lee, and Squid are always doing good for him. And we can all agree, I love you, Stampy! YOLO, holla, holla, holler. Okay, so that was my rap for Stampy. I know it was kind of short and quick and a little bit quirky, but that's the best I could do. It was based off of Stampy's world, Stampy's lovely world, and his helpers, Daisy, Lee, and Squid. And I know he has some other helpers like Crimson sorry, I can't say your name, and I don't know, but those are the three I really watch a lot. So, that's it. That was Ava's Daily Show. Tribute to Stampy, Part 3. See you next time for Tribute to Stampy, Part 4. Bye! Bye! YOLO.